Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Razor kick scooter. I already had the scooter for over 4 years now, and this scooter could take a beating. I like how it handles, has a nice grip to it. It feels comfortable in the hand. It has the convenient kickstand, so that way the scooter could stand up by itself. You're able to adjust the handlebars to the height that you want it. All you do is just press this button. You bring it all the way down. If you want it short, if you need it higher, you can go up like this, and this locks in place. This has this great 8mm size wheels on both sides. The brake is on the back, and the footboard is wide enough for even an adult could fit on this perfectly. If you need to store it and fold it, all you do, you loosen up the strap, press the button down, and then all you do is just pull this lever up, and then it folds. To store it quickly and easily. To put it together, same thing. You pull the and you raise it, and now you're ready to go on the move. Very good. This is a great scooter for anybody that needs to use this to go around or to have fun, and to even use this as a daily commuter to go to school or even to catch the subway. Also, if you need to store it, these handlebars, they come off these also, so that way that you have even more space to store it. To attach it, all you do is just press it in and then clip back in place. That I'm 5'10", 160 pounds, riding the scooter, and holds my weight well, and rolls very smooth, and the brakes works perfectly. There's my son riding his scooter, very smooth, and it's easy to use. It glides very easy with little effort. Overall, this is a great kick scooter. I like how the weight is lightweight and the wheels roll very smoothly. The brakes also work very nicely when you need to stop. I like the added kickstand that it comes with, and the long footboard. Even an adult could use this. I also like how easy it is to store it when you're not using it, and how it folds very quickly and easily.